Welcome to our new video discussing the exciting topic of sexual enhancement tablets. Many men use these tablets to enhance their sexual experiences. Today I will be explaining the potential side effects of these tablets. Without further ado, let's get started. Starting with number 10, we have headaches. That's right, a common side effect of sex pills can be as simple as a headache. This happens because the pills often work by dilating blood vessels, which can lead to increased blood flow to the head, causing discomfort. Next up at number 9, dizziness. This is also a result of the dilation of blood vessels. While the pill is intended to increase blood flow to certain areas, it can't discriminate, and sometimes it leads to an overall decrease in blood pressure. This can leave you feeling lightheaded or even cause fainting spells. At number 8, we find ourselves dealing with digestive issues. Some users report symptoms such as nausea or diarrhea after taking these pills. This is due to the body's response to the sudden changes caused by the pills, and while it's generally short-lived, it's certainly not pleasant. Moving on to number 7, we encounter blurred vision. Again, this is a result of the increased blood flow caused by these pills. The change in blood flow can affect the blood vessels in the eyes, leading to temporary vision changes, including blurred vision or sensitivity to light. And finally, at number 6, we have flushing or redness of the skin. This is another side effect of the increased blood flow, and it can show up as red patches on your skin, especially on your face and chest. But those are just the minor side effects. The more severe ones are still to come. Now we're moving into the top 5. Brace yourselves. These side effects are not for the faint-hearted. Dropping in at number 5 is hearing loss. Yes, you heard that right. Some users of these pills have reported sudden decreases in hearing, and in some cases, total loss of hearing. The sudden change can be quite frightening, not to mention the potential long-term impacts on your daily life and relationships. At number 4, we have vision loss. This is a severe side effect that can lead to partial or even complete loss of vision. It's a chilling thought, isn't it? Losing one of your most vital senses because of a pill that was supposed to enhance your life, not hinder it. Coming in at number 3 are heart complications. These can range from minor heart palpitations to severe heart attacks. It's a high price to pay, and certainly not worth the risk for a moment of enhanced pleasure. At number 2, we have strokes. Strokes can cause permanent damage to your brain and severely impact your quality of life. Imagine not being able to speak, walk, or even eat on your own because of a pill you took. And the number 1 most severe side effect is, so, are these risks worth the benefits? That's the question we've explored today, highlighting 10 serious side effects of sex pills. From physical discomfort to emotional distress, these pills can lead to complications you'd rather avoid. It's crucial to remember, always consult a healthcare professional before considering these pills. Knowledge is power, and your health is paramount. Share this video with anyone who might be using sex pills. They need to know the risks. Don't forget to subscribe for more enlightening videos. See you in the next video.